Okay, na no upon way o me Henry wobetimi agye na obi a na wotimi ade afford the amaye na ema munya ntoboase menu no mai montom boase o montom boase papa e wa brabo mu mame e dey na de wa ba ha no ma no pay
pacho me ba ha no me nkita ne bone nanso there is one lady be on Facebook.
Okay.
Only me through Facebook. Me share na crowd.
Okay.
But or chatting me on Facebook. Or chatting me that was July but my reply no. Recently, yeah, that was Saturday, yeah. And or sending me hi. And I'm a genius. No, so person only me didn't come. But I'm so sure. Or it's me me didn't come on. And I was sending a message no say. Se me pese me di ye. And I'm a juma no ekoswa. Me a beautician. Nti o se me pese me adwuma ne
beautician. Nti adwuma wo ye ne bi ne sai.
Me ye three bi say for Michelle Nails. And o ka chem so se me pese me adwuma no ekoso a obe kire me obi na wa boa me ama me adwuma na koso. Na me se me adwuma no be koso asen. Na o se na be ya menya customers na menya scan ade no. Na me se yo mate. Me so me obi a me fifi insemu. Na me so me nim nya pese me ye ntina me ne na chat mo se na be obema more feelings. And I'm so okay. And I'll catch him so. The only thing I'm saying is a metal white handkerchief. Now,
Emma Muntian ye pa. Emma Mosu Muntian ye. Now what to hofo? Yantuaso.
Or some metal white handkerchief. Now, or a association beer or muwom. Metal white handkerchief. Now, me leader no a bema. No, ni me ada. No, the spams negu white handkerchief ni mo amame. And no, this scanning in a bebe. I'm business or sure. Say later yen kan jam sa me nkoku maame me mfa obi say mbra menye say no so there bibi sa enio enam see you mate ene me join ni ena obe maame guy ni number enam ka chen so before say me free guy na je nyume 9 o'clock ena see you what say na guy ni say me mfa me na mama no no ankasa be free me ena me de me MTN line ni ma no nti me de ma no nyume be say 7:30 more na guy ni free me nti o free me no say me nuane ni pass me si ana na am say ai na so o oni na kasa na nipa ne sim pese me join na am say ai pese me join na nansan no market enko yie kra na so you wate na so o kan bia chem na am say o se meto white handkerchief no oni me ada no the spams na egum na enu na eska na so there bi na metua 2 million mesa to white handkerchief no na wa mama koto kawa of my own choice na mato powder na o de mbehye dem 24 hours and I'm say sir and I'm say na me 2 million no obesan ni me ada na and I say on mbeda na o de spams na egu handkerchief ni mu na I'm say na me 2 million mesan ni wada and no so kasa me ne kan na recording no e wa hanom
recording no okay very well
nti o kan am say na when you na echi e besan na o say na say o but before then no I was say before then no I was say me nhia no nti ewo Las Palmas me nhia no ne plan se be ya ye be kwakọ hia wo hotel ne aye nyama nyinam sina I was say me kan kire na like yen fan tudwa ne enuanum na me nuanum na e ma na o mani briska no ne yenhwe ho bibi enye na very very bad.
Okay. Mema obrena wa be yi ASR voices ni nyina monsaka. Okay, na yemmo ASR conversation ni nyina enso ema identity areho ema no pacho munya abotre wate. Ade bia moye bia munya ho abotre. Woni be ma na ekwakoda. Wonim ni ba bia wo be so adwuma tumpon enye spam na be mo adwuma tumpon. Na edio how ni sunsanso boni ebebro me no ka say ebi asazem ebi atoma bebre aye bia homa ne tumu a ebi mbetimi testify social media eye baranye eye na ejina de wode yeso enya na ejina de wode yeso oba onu aye na dwuma o ho no bia be send friend request ena o sha se na chat no si adwuma mte sei o si adwuma mboko wo ba so adwuma tumpon metimi aboa wo ama wo adwuma tumpon ka we die senka ya sempa ka we dia ka ya sampo bi pese wo ye adwuma na obi so obabua ma adwuma tumpo ka ye batie kwani obafa so a obabua ma na adwuma tumpon saadie we emma warefo bebredi obo akɔhyɛmu a enne omanya amane na ring na ode kɔ no e won sunsuaso spiritually there will be bonding wote ho enye ye da otwo mu tan untimi nte ho ma ne ye ye to so mienu obema ne o da ono so de ne hunsuo be ye bibia ma wo hunsuo no wa damage you the rest of your life na awreho se ni pepeska kwa bia ni pepe so anya ska bia obefa so kwa bia ni pepe so bia obefa so no de anya ska no momma moni na ho minia no ma abame mosuma moni na ho. It is such a person say nyame anyi na dom ana okoya wo ba ma bia wo so ne be da bia wo benya problem wo ya ba ma ware fo wa ware ye begu wadwuma be ye basa wa brabo be sei because of one sex momma mani na ho wo de ya ba ma na wo hwa me na wo tie mi a wo de bisa ho on se wo sisu ye pa wo se na wo ne ma ekoye pa but oba bia wo kaka wo tirimu a wo ne kotwe mpena no ama ene wa ba fom bema bia wo ma wo kwan mo ne wo dae no oniema nyina ye basa wasa wachi wa brabo mu nanka wo bright future pa but ne asai abrabo na ye basa 17 minutes audio na nya de betimi aboni nyina ne ye betwitwa emrepam no ne yetimi nya kwanya ne aboni nyina but na ye bebo kakra e de a chewo so hunu ne ekọ afei mompe e chat mon screenshot na mompe chat na eno ye these are all part of the evidence eno so course mama it eventually no say when they be shut them for how long
was it 24 hours
when the man nko be shut them 24 na just say o siuso sa
afei o se kawa no so me de bana ye nyankoma de ne guso a se sesa na me ba he na se accident besi a se kawa ne hyemia e be vibrate na mayira o ka nim menua bi ba me nchen na se menua no ompe masem okita hu boni a kawa ne be vibrate na mo so menua we onye ne papa bebi a me ko bia kawa ne ba obe alert me e na anka chief no so me ko so a me ko ejuma mu a me ba anapa me de powder ne bi be guso nti me ko ejuma
ma powder
me am to powder me am pe
okay
nti anka chief no de ne spams ne be gu no me de powder ni bibe gusu mi du ejuma ma na me dia pete honom enne be ma ejuma na aba mo
wurade amanfo ye niema osumase enti eba ne say na wan follow sa niema we nyina
papa mpacho me ni mbre ade
sinesa omo ye sa ade ni omo ni brade
obi on ni brade bia opeska bia no obeye cause the way a guy ne me kasa aye no obo se guy no eni papa ne kasa enche se obi o eni pa bonyini
just o kasa say
oh yeah very cool very calm obo audio nuka na utia obo se guy we ba according to guy no se ne nkwala brem e na abrewa bi e de man no okọ ba bi na abrewa ne hia no no de sa o se ya adoma chede e na abrewa de man no nti since then no de abo ankrofo bebre
okay mo onsaka okay monsaka dia ene ebetimi applique akra na fe yahwe mama mo nya ha na fe ye mo kakra bi na dia kan later on etimi abo
Please, my name is Mr. Godfrey, calling from Accra.
Okay.
I'm speaking to.
Okay.
What is the name? Joycelyn. Your sister gave me a number.
Okay.
Yeah, she called me on Skype about some minutes ago, and then she was there like this. She discussed with me about you wanted to join our sisterhood. Like, are you
The group needing the
a
sisterhood.
sister?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. So I thought I wanted to talk to the person personally. She said you wanted to join the Root Society, which she is in, and then you are her biological sister, and then
Yes, please.
you are also interested. So she wanted to join. I told her, okay. I wanted to talk to the person personally. So I requested for your number, and she forwarded it to me. I told her I'll call you, but I was busy. I was in town. So I just called, and then that's why I'm calling.
Okay.
Yeah, has she been able to explain everything to you?
Yes, she did. What she told me was, I have to buy a white handkerchief.
Okay.
93.5.
You two, like me and you, will go to a place. Then I have to give you. You release them, put it in the handkerchief, and put it in a box for 24 hours. After that,
Yes.
give back the handkerchief with me. Then I have to use that handkerchief for my insulted.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's not like is it the only item she mentioned has you?
Yes, please. Only that.
Okay, the items you have to provide, you buy a powder,
93.5.
any powder or any.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and the white handkerchief, and then a ring. Do you have a ring already?
A ring?
Yeah, do you have a ring already?
No. Which ring?
It's number one.
Any.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, like you have to get a ring, you add it in, and then you add an amount of 200 cities.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are like, let me explain it to you very well so you know that I'm not the one who's taking the money or just taking the items for something. The handkerchief is for the handkerchief. She has explained what the handkerchief will do, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah, and the reason you're buying the powder is what I will use to sprinkle into the box before I put in the handkerchief.
93.5.
Okay.
Yes, and the ring serves as a protection to you.
Okay.
Yes, like there's an extra benefit that you will get. Or not only you getting the money and then putting it into your business, there's an extra benefit you get. Like the ring serves as a protection to protect you. Let's say, maybe I'll call baby, and then that's what it is.
Very, very.
Maybe I'll call baby now, baby born in the so if something bad happens to you, the ring is your white to vibrate to your finger to promise you that while I'm heading towards something bad happens, to me, so I have to return. And say maybe will be our downfall now, be seen winning be any person closer to you, and the person possesses an evil spirit that you don't know. Maybe a nipa person be or yeah or not just want to do something with you say no you answer no first night to be a bush and connect to me but right now things has changed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but to be a call but to me can go to me who is counts this person can be greater but to me answer but if you are in the ring session when that person can't operate.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And then also person say the whole party if you're being changed, the person is not giving, the person is delaying one of the things yeah. You're not person on the panel you just say then it will just be done. Yeah. But that's what I say.
Bachelor.
Yeah. And 200 Ghana cedis. I'm not main jelly. If you are using it as a seed to your words.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it will be used in the process. But just what you want to say.
Bachelor.
93.5.
And when there is nothing like come and go, take the handkerchief home and go and do this gun that no. You will come, you will wait. We are going to be together. Me and but I'm just a normal human being. We are going to be together. So you continue it. The money will come before all leave. I'm not going to tell you, take it to go and do this, go and do that. If the other Jane say, my just okay, then I'm my dad out. And I don't want that. Yeah.
But with the white handkerchief, no, or say. I was saying, no, the first thing you go and keep your phone.
Yeah, in Bachelor and Koi.
And why is it so?
Okay, now I wanted to say that what I'm doing in Bachelor, one, me and Malam and I mean Bosom. It's like it's a gift that was given to me when I was very young. To hold.
So I want to ask you a question. With Clinton, are you going to protect yourself?
Yes, please.
You will protect yourself.
93.5.
Okay.
Yeah, this how it is. I was very young. I was at the age of 7 years and we were staying in Koforidua. So, what you do me?
That's why I'm saying.
So, one day my mom sent me
It's
to
number
find
one. Number one.
Find the way I met certain woman I don't know from nowhere. Actually, we're from a very poor background. My mom was a single mother. So life was very hard. So in the way I met certain woman I don't know from nowhere. And she was a little bit older and this woman gave me a white folded handkerchief. And what she said in addition was, I always say, oh, bread. And I've come to give you this
93.5
as a word to your life. And then also to use you to help those who are out there who are suffering. To also get what the money towards for that the education, for that themselves, they establish themselves and then be what they want to be.
Mm-hmm.
So yes. So like I didn't understood what she told me by that age. But when I means man can't join my man can't join at the age of 7. It's 6 years after, but I was already at the age of 14 by then. Now it was time for me to enter into the senior high school, and then it wasn't easy. I was battling with finance and stuff. So I want to make a kind of like no, she keeps on revealing herself to me in dreams and stuff. So she always communicates with me. So it was then I understood what she told me. And then look on me Jane said the handkerchief need to be a I'm good to be normal for their shame because I didn't open it.
93.5
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't open it. So I went to open it and it wasn't that good. That's what I was thinking. It was then glue. They written it with the ink. The rape process. What I would do was to get money and then you see the boy ladies who wanted to establish themselves, make something in life, I'm finding hardship, like through myself. And then the items now, that was what listed, and then what I would do with those items
93.5
and the process. That was what was listed.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how come I'm able to do this. And yet, actually, it's not a blood money or something.
Yes, she told me, and I believe her.
What do you say?
I'll catch you in Timmy.
Okay. But me mala. If I was showing me young bosom, really, I knew what sign but I put the come to me. What I'm doing, when like, you'll be an after me can't channel. Your sister place I met her, I was last year, I meant last year, early last year, Paola Pass. Now she was
93.5.
selling in the streets and like a very, very hard. Just me toys, I was buying a bottle of water. And she assisted me and my man 50 cents, but she was not getting a change. But you hear me?
But fine.
She was not getting a change from me. So I said that the take it and she was like, no, that must be too much and I can see from me eyes size in the sweat pattern and so I asked her what was bothering her or like I can see she's worried. And then she told me a story. She's a single mom of about 2 years and then the man has abandoned like in Zimbabwe. So it was like we became friends and then we told her days and days and days what I can help you with.
93.5.
Oh, okay.
And,
Bampa Chesa, na call or say tonight, but me trying to say no what takwa.
okay.
Ain't it? Never Friday. Not Saturday. I see you.
Saturday, me catch is a Meko Kumasa Korea program, but that's Wednesday early morning. And until I make a journey tonight, but I'll come Sunday evening.
So Monday will be possible, right?
I think Sunday evening will be possible. They do. I'll maybe do around 4.
4. Okay.
Yeah. So Sunday will be possible. So that the whole of Monday, I'll not go anywhere and then get time and then like make sure that you've gotten everything.
Mission 1. It's number 1.
Okay, so that's all right now.
Number 1.
What I say?
Many on a man, it's
Yes.
That's true.
Okay. But my number we need WhatsApp on Pacho.
Pachu.
My number was up like last week Friday and I was my phone was stolen and stuff and Zimbabwe. Yes, my number that's my WhatsApp kaka. And yeah, if you make my friend, we can communicate on this at any time.
Okay, and also I'm saying 3 types of tapes now you always see but yent me and play na mame fa wantwem we ye kwane ahodo a saa nipa bonfo fa so one omaju usika di one almost coming on omodoso omo akwan ahodo bebre and some of them they are working with women. Some of them they are working with gentlemen. Into your bar, they show interest. Oh, poweria, ombe yusu warrior. Oh, your bar, upe juma ya na we juma watch ombe yusu juma no. They will take advantage of you. I mean, cause some juma ya yache pa. Son a rade fraying. Some juma ya yache. So when it comes to interviews near dia, a radia my home dear. Obia. Opeso odi fraud obi ana so obi ana adwene nyina ne say obi a ye ritualist obi a ono no ye nsama niema ne sa eye huhumu niema no they talk less omo kasa keto abi but obi a oye kromfo oye awi balao julo omo kasa bebre just to convince you wey oye scammer na opese or taking advantage of one or no better no ajusika di omo moska kese. They made mention of a feeble money. Sika obetimi atua. In the moment that you make the first payment, you become a fool. So when you kokoda, obenya will nude pictures. And after getting your nude pictures, pachoti, or the bed you huskanyina. And mama money naho. They are scammers. The moment wobako or no better them 24 hours. Sada and a crowning air cameras or the other. Wono ye sex ni obeja kwa amwako waju sika sa hankini ade odbe mawo wo wia no wa sha se the nude pictures no video no or they send you obedi kind of pictures are send you a lot of them are buying him I get tries ever trusting it out emma mama wani na ho enya de kokko bia na esika kokko nya ade bi a hyɛn na esika akɔ sɛ ensuo mpo pure water na wobɛtɔn ɛna nsa bɛkɔ wano a yɛ awurade bɛhyira so gari na wobɛkyia yɛ awurade bɛhyira so adwuma bi a woyɛ bia moɔne nkɔ honom because mmeranteɛ bi wɔ hɔ nom ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔmo nsa nka ɔmo nan nka adwuma efe na adwuma paa deɛ wɔn nyɛ bi enti de bi ɔmo bɛdidi ɔmo adwene ho saa sika no ɔgye a ɔbaa na ɔfrɛ wɔn ɔbaa no wɔn ne pɛn so ɔbaa wɔyi ne ho adi akyerɛ ɔpɛn wɔn yi ne ho adi nkyerɛ ɔpɛn because they are scammers enti the very first day a wobɛhunu no wobɛhunu bɛrima no ɛyɛ time a wɔkɔ take advantage of you wɔn wobɛkɔ akɔda. Ono da we obey take you nude pictures because 24 hours and untimi mu ani nguso sa 24 hours dia obeda and that will be the timer obey take pictures ebi a wanye fortunate no wa plant air camera bi obabi mo ye sex ni nya no video wo se kakra wo nsam wo ye wadwuma mama obeton store no oba mo wa ton shop no because so nya the pictures send you say wo hu da so wade janie or the Bible good social media and to press cabra saa time no beton shop no now this scanner send no saa no motie ema mo mani na ho ema mo mani na ho enkonko hunu amane ansa no waka se mi hunu yanka enkonko hunu enko fa saa amane we mu hwe I think last month or so, there was this small girl who was 17 years, somebody be here, no. And fortunately for me, you know, me to me edia na chia, I'm here so abranti anymore. I'm here number post for. Or you're 17 years. Ne papa ne mame eda ye me sia ne papa ne mame a me den somebody good omonim no. Papa ne mame nya no kwada. So mun nim say wo mo ba we die ohunu be ma da what we could 24 hours wakada abranche them they are scammers all over momma money na ho omo o man so omo yes scammers we ya be ma omo de yes sikafo no esikafo amu de bia o zip be bia o zip o ba bia o ne be da no be mu be bre omo pictures abeduru yanim tie na me na hye ne so woya oskani beba no ama ozip ho ahia wantomu a womo de man bi plantema opɛ no munya nude pictures a wodi agro beka se mesend ama oyire me de beba social media mesend across board wodwen platform de beto so meye o sei ndu yo skani a ska bi obeka bia obetua asema me kan empanyimfo bebre ehunu saa mane we bi ebi mu aton mo ka ebi mu atoka de ache omo all because omo nude pictures ekura bi mu ye wo ma mo ye saade no ene ye wo ma mo ye saade no de betimi esebi wa brabo ene se obehwe wa kwan so yi wo behwe wa kwan so yi na wan ko to fidi sumfo afidi mu obonefo nani abrese krodom opobia destroy no opobia sei no e ma ho kwan ntitru nketesi amosi so ebi ana awurade asese be ma papa bi de ode ne ma ho so no be ye ho ade na umfo nyina be da bontene e be bow because eduru stage obe ware kwa na obi koyi cho so youthful age no woni obi koye ekotwe mpena na o pictures be gu abontene a odo sesen kura na bembebu. This is the right time e wo sa katesia bia be kata ne ho asie. This is the right time e wo se abrantie bia e be hwe na kwan so yi no bonefo na anyaw mama evutu obey na woman ketesia ne man nyame nhira o pa se won to fidi sumfo afidie mu na wan fan hye won kwan ho na opesa mansa nyina betie bi na omutua de edi firi ne wo wakom no yenti o
sisi ana ampesa mekache obi an say obi anya very careful yen man enya very very careful na ne aye ni wo no ye ne nso maya ni mbre ade too much cause ne eye akwedi ye me obi ameni bre ade a ka me sure senka ma to ni we ni mu trap ni mu dadaada se no pe na mpese e futu ampese me de mo ano no
obi asani me obi atro bi some kama bi e wo hadom na yam do say my dear family please let's be careful when watching live programs, especially the one from Men of God and church services. Never comment with your prayer request or making a comment about a challenge you want him to intercede for you. Fake men of God and scammers are taking advantage of it. Beware. A good pa, a futu Irene, wo futu we mania.